Hi, Markay here, and this is my GitHub profile. Recently, I've hit 1k subs and I decided to start making my projects public. You could ask, of course, hey, you have 1.7k right now, so isn't this a little bit too late? Well, yes, but around 700 is from before I was a game dev, so that doesn't really count for this channel right now and for the content I make. So you could treat this video as kind of a special for 1k subs. Thank you guys for subbing. So what is currently here and what will be here in the future? Basically anything that I want to share with you guys to help you on your game dev journey, or something that I think is just cool to show. It still won't be a collection of one-off mechanics that I usually show in my videos, but if there is something bigger that would require maybe a few episodes to make, it will be shown here so you can follow along, perhaps. So what's here right now? We have 4 projects, 2 actually related to Unreal Engine. And starting from the top, we have Hat Engine. Hat Engine is basically my attempt at making a game engine for fun. It kinda ended on being more of just a rendering engine. You can import models, make simple materials, scenes, etc., but not actually simulate any gameplay. I don't claim to be any good at that. It's still like one project. The real game engine should be like 2 or 3 projects. You can learn much more by following Cherno, for example. But I still like this project, so it's here. You can see how it was made. Ray UI is basically my take on retained UI for Raylib. You can use it, but it's not like very good. It's usable though. Also not something you should care about. It's here. I think it's kind of cool, but nothing you should probably use. Now to the actual Unreal stuff. We have SauceLang UI, which means this is a repo for my interpreted language I made purely in Unreal Engine blueprints. It's the archived version. So the version I stopped developing a while ago. The most recent version is in Shadows of Serenity. You can play the demo right now. And it has a full framework for it, right? So working PC, console, interactive tutorial, etc., etc. You can check it out there. I will also link a video where I showcase this version of the language, so you can sort of follow along. It's pretty simple in how it works. It's just one sort of console widget and a script. So if you go to content, scripts, this is basically a script that is running. You can modify this file and it will run the code when you start the game. Okay. Now what we have left is MPTPP Arena, which is basically a third-person combat template from Unreal Engine 5.6. They added a very nice combat arena sort of template. So I decided to use it and remade it for network gameplay, right? So you can use this. I added also additional widgets, some simple arena gameplay, because that wasn't really present. It was all made for single player gameplay, and it had a map for, punching some dummies and simple AI, but I made a map for networked arena gameplay, right? So you have a full list of what I've changed, how I tested this. One problem it has, which I didn't notice in other projects I was making, networked projects is that when you test it on one PC, the attacks don't really work, but that is because attacks are sort of triggered by anim notifs from animation montage, and this requires stable FPS to work. And if you run this on two processes, then the FPS on one is pretty shit, because that's how Windows throttles your FPS, right? So the active application works best. So probably test it on two separate PCs for for best results, or with a dedicated server, which could be an option for this. Okay, so that's my repo. Those are my projects. There will be more. And if you have some requests, maybe something that you would like to see on my profile, then write the comment down below. For example, maybe you really liked my metaballs and you wish to see this in a project, so maybe you can let me know that you will really want that. Okay. So that's pretty much it. If you use any of my code, then I would just kindly ask you to maybe write that it came from me. And I mean, I cannot stop you from copying the code and just using it however you want. But just, kindly ask, right? So that's it from me. I hope you will enjoy my my repos, and that's it from me. See you next time. Bye bye.